We shine after the storm. If you've experienced damage from a hailstorm, windstorm, or flood, contact us as soon as the storm clears. As a trusted roofing contractor in Indianapolis, Raptor Restoration specializes in prompt, efficient repair services that will restore your property to its best condition. Our team of skilled roofing experts is ready to tackle any roofing project, whether minor repairs or complete roof replacements. We've got you. If not addressed, storm damage can quickly lead to more significant issues. Our team responds swiftly to ensure your roof is secure and protected. Our roofing services go beyond fixing damage. We use the best materials and advanced techniques to help prevent future issues. Whether you need emergency repairs or a total roof replacement, we are the experts you can rely on. Trust our professionals for all your roofing needs. Call us today at 317-886-0696 or visit raptorrestorationusa.com to schedule a consultation and protect your home. Raptor Restoration. Restoring homes. Restoring peace of mind.